Yeah, I'm going to take that cover off where I can see something. Okay, so right where I see I'm looking for the what is you call to take the battery out, CMOS battery. I'm looking for. I found screws, and I'm going to take that out. Okay, now I took the battery out, and I'm going to push the power button for 30 seconds while my main power is unplugged, and then I'll plug the power supply. What this? I'll plug the power supply, push the power button, and what? Here you go. So it was all in CMOS, and so now the problem is fixed. It was the CMOS battery. After I cleared the CMOS, it's all good. So now I'm going to reassemble it. From here, if you want to watch all this reassembling, you feel free to watch, so you can learn. If not, it's up to you, but this is now reassembling of whole computer, everything I took it out. So feel free to watch. I'm putting back the CMOS battery. I already did the CMOS battery, and I'm putting the cover on top of it, so I'll put exactly how it was. I'll take my CPU cooler out and put his IO